So in this video, we're going to be doing a room tour, and it's also a collab between both of us, so check out the link, the description, all the links, and everything. So, okay, long story short, we're twins, this is our friend, we all go to the same church, and we all end up at the same college. If you want like an in-depth video about that whole story, we will do it, but right now this is just a room tour. So yes, there are 3 people in one room, and it's called a triple, and also 12 hours away from home, so
super fun,
super fresh, adventurous. Alright, so keep watching to see what we live like.
Yes. Okay.
First walk in. So over here we have this little wall that says fearless, and then this little piece of artwork that Celery did. Hey. Yeah. And then here's that part's kind of ugly, but just ignore that top part. Here's our microwave, and then our fridge with our fake succulent magnets. We have a big fridge because hashtag dairy-free life. Yes. Okay, and then there's this sign. If you want to just read that. Yep. And then here's our little coffee table, and we usually have something that's over the top of it, but it's really dirty. So we're gonna wash it. But there's 2 coffee makers and a little spinny thing. Fake succulent coffee, and then that's to like clean the spinny thing. And then under there's where we keep our dirty dishes. Relatable. Yes. Okay, and then here's our rug. It's from TJ Maxx if anyone wants to get it. So I'm going to keep my backpack there. I just moved my dresser today. So, yes. Okay, so there's this marble thing from Target, and I always change the saying on it. 2 more fake succulents. I think we're seeing a theme. And then there's this hanging thing that me and my dad made. And then there's a picture frame of cord 3. If you know, you know. And here's my blender. The cup is dirty. Refer to the beginning of the video. And then perfumes, and then jackets and other fake lights. These ones are dead. So yeah. Then up here is my little backpack purse. Here's a little hangy thing where I keep my Bible and my laptop. There's 2 Bibles because I'm more spiritual. I'm just kidding. What? Okay, anyway, and then we have these lights up here. And then, if you could see those pillows, I put lace on the orange one right there. Those are both from Walmart, and then the one up front is from Salvation Army. Don't worry, I washed it. Here is a little thing of me and some friends from the summer. I could focus it. Yup. There's that. And then there's a fan because we don't have AC. So I keep it on the on the bed. And then there's just this yellowish throw blanket, and the lights just yeet down here. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? Okay. Then over here, there's this letterboard. My favorite turn of faith. I put the faith like that for a reason. Thanks. I'm just kidding. No, I just put that to be different. And then some fake flowers hang upside down. More lights, as you can see here. More lights down here. Put my strainer here. A book I'm reading for class. That's where I keep extra makeup. And then a mirror. And then hair scarf, nail polish, and a speaker. This stuff. And then this is like all of my earrings and rings. And then a little palm cross. Shout out to Molly's mom. And then this little sign, be still and know that I'm God. And then this other fake succulent. Over here, kind people are my kind of people. Some lotion, hand sanitizer, another cross, hair oil. This is literally just like my desk. I keep like makeup in here and textbooks and junk in there. Then my water bottle, and then Caribou, eh? And then some essential oils, and then my real succulent, Stanley, and Rip because I dropped him today and the thing broke, but it's fine. He's still thriving. Okay, and then this is Molly's section. So
I have my letterboard, got a new thing, and then my palm cross my mom got, and 2 succulents, and then my adventure fund where I put my change in, you know.
Cute.
And then I have pencils and pens, and then some pictures, and then my calendar, and then all my makeup goes in here. Jewelry is in this. My keys, all of the essentials. Caribou.
Yes,
Gotta
that's an
have
essential.
that. And then my Bible and journal I just keep right here, so it's right there. And I have some flowers.
Cute.
And then my mom got me this box with our family motto that we have with a bunch of pictures. It's so cute.
Oh.
And then my fan, and then another succulent.
Mm.
And then we have this wall hanging decoration, which is really cute. I got on Amazon.
Cute.
And then more flowers. I think we have a theme too. And then I have a prayer jar that I got from my youth pastor's wife for Bible study. And then my board that I write stuff on. And then our diffuser. We're always diffusing.
Always diffusing.
Yes. We diffuse joy, because sometimes you just need some joy.
Amen.
And then I have my blanket little crate here. I just have like 2 blankets in there. And then I have my food down here, and then mugs and some other essentials, and then all my Tupperware and bowls and stuff. And we have our bean bags.
Oh, yes. No, I did not.
Bean bags.
Yes,
Not
there's 2.
bean bags.
Minnesotians.
Gosh, that's not
Oh, and I have my lights.
Oh, yes.
Gotta have those.
Okay, so that is underneath her bed. If you want to see more in depth of above the bed,
Like my bed and
here's just a little overview. Here's an overview. There's some hanging plants and stuff like
this
that.
is an overview.
Hold on, a little art wall, and then instruments and other stuff like this. To see more and her side, subscribe to her
Hey!
and go watch that part. Peace out, Girl Scout.
Peace.
I know.
Oh gosh.